Hungry na, Mama? Hungry na? Okay, going for breakfast. Hopefully, we are not late. Kasi eksakto. Hindi ba kami late? Hindi ba kami late? Hanggang 10 p.m. O, sige. So, we'll have to find first our seats. Oh, I'm sure itong gusto ni Berna. Sige, anywhere you like. Diyan na. Yan, oh. Okay, so yan na ating magiging upuan. Maganda nga naman. May view ng beach. Look at this. Imagine having breakfast with the view of the beach. And you can see the sand, the sun, the water, and the sea. With the coconuts. Okay, now let's check on the food. Para alam natin kung ano yung masarap dito sa Henan. Okay, kasi maraming Koreans dito, no? Marami kasing Koreano eh. Kaya mostly it's Korean food. Ano yung meron dyan? Tokwa? Ha? Cheese. Cheese ba yan? Oh, pang Korean yung pagkain, no? Korean marinated egg. Yes. Talagang pag maraming Koreano, mostly, it's going to be Korean food. Ayan si Berna, kumuha ng prutas. Well, masarap naman din ang Korean food. Nothing wrong with it. Ito kaya, anong laman ito? Oh, Korean din. Ito. Oh, bread and butter pudding. What about this? Okay. More bread. Ito, buksan natin ito isa-isa. Okay, may corned beef naman pala. Hungarian sausage. Chicken tocino. Okay. Fish fillet fritters. Chinese pechay. Oh, Chinese pechay. Alright. Siguro time to eat na ako. Okay. Uy, mga dilis. Ito, Filipino food. Itong okay. Sige. Ayos na yan. So, wow, ang dami kong kakainin. Halo-halo na. Wow, maubos ko kaya to. Ayan, maraming isda. At Korean eggs. Most important is that I have a view. Yan ang view. Ang food mo, Mama Berna? Wow, you're on a diet. Grabe, you're on a diet. Oh, thank you, Maka-diet ka. Yan, kumuha pa ako ng Korean eggs, oh. Para siyang, no? Para siyang century eggs. Sarap. Dami kumakain. Wow, dami niyong food, Sobrang dami. Ito, pork siomai. Looks good. Meron siyang dim sum station. Oh, delicious to. Pork ham leg. Okay. And there's more bacon. Oh, daming food, oh. The best part is that pipili ka ng upuan dito ka nakatingin. Dito sa dagat. Kailangan yan ang upuan mo. Meron din pala siyang noodle station, no? Ang dami palang choices. Pag dito ka nagpunta sa Henan Premier. At the best part while eating, you have a nice view. Oh, hindi pa kami tapos, Tingnan itong parang century egg niya, oh. Iba kulay, oh. Kulay yellow. Kaya pala masarap, Okay, open sliding doors. Kaya maganda. Di ba, Berna?